Information is a collection of data that has been organized in a meaningful way to convey knowledge or understanding about a particular subject. Information can take many forms such as text, images, audio, or video, and it can be transmitted through various channels including print media, electronic media, or interpersonal communications. The value of information lies in its ability to provide insights, enables decision making, and improve understanding of a particular topic. An example of information could be a news article about a recent scientific discovery, such as the development of a new vaccine for a disease. The article would provide information about the research process, the method used to develop the vaccine, and the potential benefits and risks associated with the new treatment. The article might also include quotes from experts in the field, and it could provide historical context about the disease and previous attempts to develop a vaccine. This information would help readers understand the significance of the discovery and evaluate its potential impact